day slips away by mistake. See the sun waving its goodbyes, and the moon lifts a sleepy eye. Look ahead, not to the past. Get up, get up, get up.
Hi Bixby, find the nearest 24-hour internet cafe in Bangkok.
The stakes were high, didn't jump cause you couldn't fly. Threw your dreams down a wishing well, left forgotten where they fell. Look up